Guys, so a lot of you know that I design websites and apps from home, and I must tell you, this has been like a year and 6 months since I started doing this. And the most difficult part of this field of job is getting a job. And if you're a new US designer watching this video right now, you can relate with the fact that it's a huge struggle. So I decided on this channel to be sharing my tricks, my hacks, and opportunities whenever I see one on US design jobs, so that you can take advantage of it to get started. In addition, I'm also going to be sharing my journey and my processes to designing websites. So if it's something you're interested in, please follow my journey by liking and subscribing to this channel to be a part of our growing community. Now, that being said, I have been making a lot of research myself about jobs, and I have seen 3 hidden websites where US designers can find jobs, especially entry-level jobs as a total beginner to get started. It could be internship or junior positions that you can apply to as a US designer to get started. The best part about what I'm going to share is that these opportunities are usually in places like Europe, US, and the UK. So if these are your target places to look for job, then you may want to stick around to the end of this video. So that being said, the first website we want to talk about is one where you can find real junior roles, and they say there is no compromise. Like, you will find a lot of jobs on this website. So if you go through here, you're going to see what people think about them, people that may have gotten a job through them. So you learn about all this. So to find available jobs, you come here and click on jobs. So you can see that it's only the best entry-level design jobs that they have here all in one place. What that means is that you must have a maximum of 0 to 1 year experience, and the jobs that are available are in the US, Canada, UK, and Europe. And these jobs are usually startup jobs, agencies, corporate, and more. So here are the available jobs. Now, the best part about this particular website is the fact that the jobs are usually recent. Like, you will not really find old or expired jobs on this place like you see on places like LinkedIn or Indeed, on all those places. So here you can see that this one was posted 3 days ago, and it is in Morocco. It's on site, and this one is internship. This one is in Australia. 3 days ago it was posted, and it's full-time. So you can see a lot of them here. There are internship positions here that you may want to check out to apply to get started working as a US designer. So to learn more about each job, anyone you are interested in, all you have to do is just to click on it. Let's say this one that is an internship position, you click on it, then you're going to learn more about the position. Like, this one is free STEM for 3 to 6 months, and the salary and everything that you need to know, all the information that they want you to know is all here. Then you can apply using this apply button to get started. So the name of this website is opendoors.career. I'm going to leave the link to all this website in the comment section, so when you see them, just comment "seen" so that I know that you have seen them. So the next website is another one that has jobs, but unfortunately most of the jobs I see here are old jobs. Like, they were posted like in March. The last date it was updated was on March 12th, 2025. So I guess they may have an issue, but you can actually check it out. So you can see here they have intense jobs and all this kind of jobs here. Most of the jobs here are researchers jobs. So you're not able to get the US job proper, you can actually try out US researching job and get started with that. So you see junior US design roles in this place, and most of the jobs on this platform are usually from the United States. So you might check out to know if they have updated the website again. So the name of the website is earlystagedesignjobs.com. So the last one I want to talk about is one that I have personally created an account with, and they will give you daily updates on job positions that you have given them in the profile that you're going to create to start getting jobs. What this means is that for you to be able to get jobs on this next website, you will have to like create a profile with them, so that they'll have your information and they will send you jobs that are tailored to the information you have provided. But before we continue with that next website, if you've seen value so far, please don't fail to like this video, subscribe to be a part of our growing community. I really appreciate all of you that have been supporting us so far. The next website is where you find this type of jobs as well. So this one is product designer, and this one is mid and senior level jobs. This one is mid and senior level as well. This one is junior and mid level jobs, and all this one is also mid and senior. This one is junior and mid level. So you can see that you can find junior level jobs here on the platform. This is what the reviews are, and you can learn more about the roles that you have to fulfill if you are given the opportunity. The best part is you can learn more about the funding and everything about the company you're going to be working with. So that is why it is good. So here is what this company is about. This one is for B2B, and they have other things they do here that you can check out. So you can see that the jobs they have here are usually open for application. So you will rarely find expired jobs on this platform. So you might want to check it out. The name of the platform is welcometothejungle.com. So you might want to check it out and you can apply for jobs. And remember, like I said, you must have a profile with them before you'll be able to see jobs and make your application. Now, if you're looking for a way to make money online using Nano Banana, do well to check out this video. Or if you want to learn how to optimize your resume and have AI help you with all that to get a customized resume for any job, you might check out this video. Please don't fail to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.